I'm going to show you how we remove a background from an image in Photoshop. Let's begin by opening our file by going to File, Open, selecting our image and clicking Open again. And we have our image here. What we're going to do is we are going to remove the white background from this. Before we get going with this, I'm just going to convert this background where it's locked for editing. I'm going to remove this lock, just drag that into the trash, so now we are able to edit this layer. What we want to do is remove the white background. We've chosen an image with a white background because it makes it simple to remove. If you do want to remove a background from an image, it's probably best to choose something that's a bit plain, but if you can't do that, well, you just have a little bit more of a challenge just trying to remove the background. Let's have a look now at how we actually achieve this. So if we go to this tool here, the quick selection tool is what we're going to use for this. And then make sure we're on the plus here, and then what we do is we can just start selecting the areas that we want. What it will do, it'll select out right to the edges of the bits that we're selecting. So if we just go around the person here, just try and capture as much of this as we can, accurately as we can, all the way around, including the white shirt on the white background, which doesn't make it easy for us, but nevertheless we're able to still discern the edge there. And then just go around there, and there we go. Got the person selected. There's a few things there we need to improve. We need to get rid of this white area here. We need to get rid of this little white triangle here as well. So let's do that by clicking on this minus button. What we're doing now is we're deselecting areas in a way. Right, so we're selecting these bits that we do not want to include. And again, we get rid of this little triangle here, there as well. Let's get rid of that too. It's a little bit messy there still. Okay, so I think we've captured all of that now. We've still got this area on the shoulder here. We need to go back and fix that as well. So click on the plus here, and let's just go around there and make sure that's correct as well. It's a little bit untidy around there. Let's just that up a little bit again. Make sure we've got that. Sorted. There we go. It looks much better. So there we go. So those are our bits. We selected our person. If we go to select and then do inverse, so now we're selecting the background, not the person. And then just press delete. Now remove the background, which is exactly what we wanted to. You can see here we now have transparent background. That's what the checkerboard pattern here means. If we then go to select and then deselect that by clicking on deselect or Control D, we'll deselect it. Another thing we can do now is crop this as well. Because notice there's a lot of space here and on the top that we can remove. And we can do that by going to the crop tool here, which is this tool. Click on the crop tool and then select the area that we want. Once we've done that, then we simply just press return, and we now have our image with the background removed.